Hi, Alma here, and this is the cushiony bench. It comes with a couple of racks for your shoes. It's made out of metal. It's sturdy, it's well made. It has this cushiony seat with faux leather. The measurements are 18.5 inches tall, 12 3/4 deep, and 32 inches wide. So it's a very nice size, even for tall people. It holds up to 400 pounds. And like I mentioned before, it is well made and it's very convenient. I have it here by my front door, so when we come in, we sit over there, change our shoes, and I have my shoe cabinets here, and go on about our business. And overall, I am very pleased with my purchase. It's very nice and it does the job.